So applications of colloids and nanomaterials. Various applications are there. Now we are explaining some important applications of colloids and nanometals in medicine. Medicines in the form of colloids are easily absorbed by the body tissue due to large surface area and hence are more effective. So colloids and nanomaterials having large surface area, surface by volume ratio, because particle size is very less. Suppose agarol is a silver solution used as an lotion, eye lotion. Colloidal antimony is used for curing Kala-Azar disease. Kala-Azar. Colloidal gold is used as a intramuscular injection, intramuscular pains to decrease. Milk of magnesia, which is an emulsion used as an antacid for reducing acidity in the stomach. Milk of magnesia. Blood from minor cuts, wounds is stopped by coagulation with alum or ferric chloride. The tetravalent aluminum or Al plus 3, trivalent aluminum, Al plus 3 or Fe plus 3 ions neutralize the negative charge on the abdominal particles. It constitutes the blood, thus coagulate it. These are neutralize the negative charge in the albumins in the blood, thus coagulate it. So many applications are there. I quoted some examples here. So there is a lot of applications. The main thing is why colloids and then nanomaterials having lot of applications in the medicine means they are very small. They can easily absorb by body fluids and then tissue. And then catalysis and sensors. At present, there is an intense interest in the optical properties of noble metal colloids. Such colloids suspensions display brilliant colors as a result of intense light absorption and scattering due to electron oscillations in the metallic particles. So while we are reducing the size of the particle, size of the metal, they have, they show different colors. Even in the gold, with our naked eyes, we can see the gold color. But if we are reducing the particle size, we can get pink gold or red gold or violet gold. Depends on the size of the particle. These properties have great potential for the control and manipulation of light in nanophotonic devices, photoelectric surfaces, photoelectric devices, especially nanophotonic devices. Example, the interaction of light with a surface plasma can increase the output of light emitting diodes. Multiphoton excitation can be dramatically enhanced. Light can be efficiently transmitted through subwavelength apparatus when the surfaces are coated with a very thin metallic, nanometallic film. The optical properties of metallic colloids have also found use in biotechnology. For colloid proximity induced by surface bound DNA has been used to measure DNA hybridization to develop optical sensors for metal ions. Everywhere. Semiconducting based sensing layers as a catalyst, as a photoelectric sensors like diffuse modes, switching, fiber optics, load grid, color contrast, light grid, optical data couples, safety sensors, everywhere as a sensors, nanometal colloids, metal oxides colloids are used as a sensors in the catalysis, medicine. This is very, these having, nanometals, nanometal oxides colloids having lot of applications in various dimensions, various fields. All the fields they having the applications. All the